Guys, look. He's eating it. A crawfish is eating a fish. Because that's what they eat.
They eat fishies.
They eat all kinds of things can be alive. Just eat it. It is sad, but that's what they do.
I'm gonna try to find some more.
Oh, he's munching into that thing.
Oh, look. Oh, he loves it. Crawfish almost sounds like clawfish.
Mm.
Well, Americans say clawfish, but in Scotland they say
Oh, he's pulling it, see?
crayfish.
He's digging in. He's like pulling it, see? He's stretching it and eating it. Damn. You definitely don't want to mess around with him if you're the size of that fish.
Well, also
definitely not gonna mess around with the clawfish.
But also I can catch it, by the way.
Don't touch it. We're filling him in
yet. Andrew, no. Andrew, don't catch it. We want to see it.
Leave it. Hey, keep it away. Keep it away. What's wrong with you?
Andrew, there's something wrong with you.
I think that fish is dead now, isn't it?
Of course it's dead. Is that his tongue? It's like shaking really fast. I think that's his tongue.
Oh, hey, little buddy.
But on those two things, right, there's teeth right there and teeth right there, and a sharp bit, right, and really powerful and fat. So it'll go locked on, pull it, and just munch it. Look at this, he's nearly done. I think he'll be half full.
Just pulling that fish to bits.
I'm not gonna do anything.
Hey, keep out the shadow. Oh, you're making a shadow.
He's looking closer. He's digging.
That's why they've got big claws, eh?
Look, Dad. This is two claws holding on to it, or he.
That's because you put a shadow over it, see?
Damn.
Move your shadow out of the way. Is he taking it away somewhere? That fish is half in two already.
It's been a minute, right? And oh, he's in there.
He's going to hide it, maybe.
No, he's trying to find a good place so he can eat his food in his house.
Yeah.
So he can find a proper dinner table, and that is just the floor. It is sad, really sad. But this is how nature works.
The fish wouldn't have lasted longer, anyway.
Yeah. One of the clawfish got just pinched on it, and now it was trying to swim away and it got free, but it's not gonna last a long time. Now we give him the fish,
that was dead,
and he's eating away. If we give him chicken, cooked chicken.
See if you can move him out of there. Scare him out.
I think I make him go inside. I could lift this.
and I can catch it.
Right, look, one other way, I can't see it.
Oh, he dropped it.
No, he dropped it. I think he's had enough.
Okay, let's go.
That's half that fish gone, isn't it?
Wait, Andrew, stop.
To get your hand away.
We'll go get the fish, see how much he just eaten.
Is he?
Oh, that's how much he eaten.
Ate, not eaten.
It. Even his mouth is open. Jeez.
He was dead with his mouth open.
Yeah. Half done too. Well, he's dead now.
Yeah.
Or maybe he's half dead.
Wait, where is shrimp going? Oh, there he is.
Yeah, he's gone.
Oh, he's coming to his buddy.